Most AI and supply chains produce answers. What it cannot tell you is what happens next. Supply chains are not information problems, they are consequence problems. Every decision touches capacity, commitment, suppliers, and time. And when the stakes are real, a probable answer is not good enough. TADA is built on a deterministic decision engine, not a language model guessing at the best option. An optimization engine that evaluates every possible response against every real constraint, simultaneously across the entire network. Parts, labor, production, suppliers, one decision, based on what is actually true right now. When conditions change, TADA activates immediately. The decision is made, explained, and ready to act on before your team has finished reading the alert. Deterministic execution, consequence-aware decisions, TADA, a system of action.